Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. And this video we will learn how to fix update are underway. Please keep your computer on. In this video we will cover this topic. So please watch the video and let's start. So guys, once you are on the screen, you have no choice but in the forcefully shut down your computer. So just holding the power button and then turn on the computer again. Hold on the power button for a few seconds and then turn on your computer on again, and then you are going to get this screen right here. This may take a while load to up, but you just have to wait. As once the screen is loaded up, you are going to be in the login screen. Entering your password and then head back into window. Now that we looked into window again, and you need to do some steps. So these steps will prevent it from happen again. So first we are going to head over to search and type cmd. Then you want to run as administration and I click on yes. Then you want to type in station space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health, and it's going to do a scan. It might take a while. We just to do it once this loading up, you can just click on minimize screen. Now current next step, we head over to search and type in troubleshoot and click on it. Once it is
Once
open,
on it, click on other troubleshooters,
and there's a
and then you want to
troubleshoot,
click on
and
the
then
run
you want to
box,
click
which is a
on the
Windows
ROM
update. So click on that.
which is on the window
And you
update.
detect
So
the
click on that. I
problems.
need it
You
to take
want to
the problem.
follow
So you
all
want
the
to follow all the
steps
steps
that may
that may come
up
up
for you
for
right
you
here.
right here. So guys, I hope you all will understand okay how to solve this problem. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.